camera out to document this little, you know, festivity. I'm getting my laptop. I currently have a laptop. It's the MacBook Air. Honestly, when I got this computer, I got it because I could afford it at the time. It worked for what it needed to work for, but honestly, it's not a computer to use for heavy duty editing. I want to like throwing out videos maybe 2 to 3 times a month, or not a month, a week. And I feel like one of the things that's been holding me back from dropping content is my laptop. So I'm just gonna make this investment now, get this MacBook Pro, and just call it a day, because your girl does not have time anymore. We're here outside of Best Buy. I got here an hour early and they're not open until 11, and I'm just like, sis, are you serious? So I'm in a car now. I'm gonna just sit here and wait until they open, because girl, I need this laptop. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking stoked, dude. Like, I really am. But I'm super duper excited. It's now 10:32, so we have 28 more minutes until we actually go into the store to get our laptop. Okay, y'all, I've been blabbing this whole time. Honestly, I'm probably not even gonna use most of this footage, but I'm gonna catch y'all when I am in there. You guys will see if I have the laptop or not in my hands. All right, peace. Unfortunately, they did not have the laptop, so I called Apple and I'm just gonna have them order it and ship it to the mall so I can go pick it up. I would have them ship it to my house, but I feel like, girl, that thing was almost that thing was expensive. I'm not about to have it sit at my house and somebody come and swipe it off my front door. You guys will definitely be seeing me when it's time for me to go pick up the laptop. I'm gonna have to wait almost 2 weeks for this laptop. I'm so upset. But then again, they say when you customize the storage on your laptop, you typically have to order it because they only carry the base models in the store. But I ordered it. I'm so excited. I wish I could have it today, but you know, having patience is a virtue, and we just gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, you guys will see me when I go pick it up. I'm gonna make it a little like montage and stuff like that, so I'll be seeing y'all. Y'all, my computer is here. We are at the mall now. I'm about to walk in and get it. I literally got out of class and I was about to call them and ask them, hey, what's the order status on my computer? When the guy picked up the phone, I got the message saying that it was at the mall and it was available for pickup. So I'm about to go get it now. I'm not gonna be talking like that. I'm gonna just do a little montage of me going to get the computer. So y'all, we finally got the computer. I am tired as hell, but we finally got the computer. I'm about to do a little aesthetic unboxing, so if you want to see that, keep watching. Okay.